Alright. Opening morning. Opening morning. How you feel about it, Chad? Pretty good? Look right behind you, Chad. Right here, right here, right here, right here. I ain't even got my gun loaded, Papa. I better load my gun. Yes, sir. Come right. It could have been a bird, boy. We're gonna turn y'all back on in a little bit.
Man, I ran out. Gun jam. About to go.
Nah, not yet. Alright. Chad, get ready to do a bird count there.
Yeah.
I know we're not near the limit, but we're gonna see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 birds.
8 birds. How many of those 8 did you kill, Chad?
3.
Well,
So,
it's got pretty warm. We're probably gonna call it in the morning. It has been slow. We might come back this evening.
big bird there. Look at all them colors in
Mm-hmm. Yeah, most of them were young birds.
it. Yep. So, call it. Maybe we'll come back this evening and get y'all a video.
Alright, Chad just got back from the pond.
Got another one.
Got another one. Fell in the pond. Had quite an adventure getting him out.
Yep.
Number 5.
Well, number 4.
Number 4.
Got 9 birds on today. Probably about to call it quits.
Alright. Chad just knocked another one down across the pond. He's coming back. We'll get his reaction when he comes back. What you got, Chad?
Another dove.
Another dove.
Shot him all the way across that pond.
All the way across that pond. Having fun today? Let's see how the pile's looking. Been slow today. Let's see. Got a few birds. Probably got about 7 mates so far. GoPro's about to die. Okay. Alright, we just got back and we haven't been here 5 minutes. And Chad has put the smack down on 3 out of 4 shots already. Quick. Maybe the rest of the evening will go like
Hold
that.
up.
Here he come.
Live action.
Yeah, went right behind.
2 of them.
Got some mojo set up. Got a pond right here in front of us.
Yeah.
Chad's having a ball. I think he's got 7 or 8 birds already. Okay. Well, Chad has knocked down another bird. Like I say, we haven't been in no time. He's done, this is his 4th bird he's shot. I think that's number 8 or 9 for Chad. Putting it on him, boy.
What's number?
8 or
4?
9 or something like that. It's 4 for when we came back. Alright.